Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Think Different Television. Here are some ACT questions we're going to practice. Number one, right here. What is the answer? Go. All right, let's see. So, Joelle earns a regular pay of $7.50 per hour for up to 40 hours. So, every hour over 40 hours, she's paid 1.5 times her regular pay. How much does she earn for 42 hours? Let's see. So she earns $77.50 per 1 hour. So how much money across from money, does she make in 40 hours? Because that's her regular pay. Okie dokie. So I'm going to calculate 84. That's my app. It's got my wonderful graphing calculator. So 750 times 40. It's going to be $300. So it's $300 on the regular. But she's going to get paid 1.5 times that for 2 hours. So 750 times 1.5. Ooh, let's delete that. Sorry, 750 times 1.5. Try again. 750 times 1.5 is $11.25 an hour. And how many hours is she going to work over the 40? Yeah, 2. So I'm going to times that by 2, and it's $22.50. So she makes $22.50 over what you have. So it's plus $22.50. So 300 plus $22.50 is $322.50 for that one. Cool. All right, that answer was C. Good job. Try this one now. Go. Ooh, okay. A number x squared, so that's going to be h, j, or k, x squared, is means equals, okay, 39 more than the product. Product means the multiplication answer when I'm multiplying these two. So 10 times x, 39 more will be 39 plus 10x. The answer is K for that one. Good work. Okay. Next. Ooh, what do you get for this? Go. All right, let's see. Box method. So you should have a box on your paper. 3x minus 4y squared and 3x plus 4y squared. So this is what you should have, like this. 3x minus 4y squared and 3x plus 4y squared. So plus here, doesn't matter what you write. So 3 times 3 is 9. X times x is x squared. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12. X, y squared, you can't put those together. This is going to be 4 times 3 is 12. X, y squared. Okay. And this is going to be negative 4 times 4 is negative 16. Y squared times y squared is y to the 4th. Yeah. Oh, negative 12xy squared and 12xy squared, when I add those up, those are opposites, right? Those equal 0. So I got 9x squared here, and I have this, which is negative 16y to the 4th. That looks like it might be the answer. Let's see. 9x squared minus 16y to the 4th. There we go. So A is the answer to that one. Let's keep it going. What values of x are solutions for x squared plus 2x equals 8? Go. X squared plus 2x equals 8. Okay, first step. What do I do? Yeah, have it equal to 0. So I need to subtract 8 here. X squared plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. What do I do now? Yeah, you can factor. What adds to and multiplies to negative 8? Yeah, 4 and negative 2. So that's going to be x plus 4, x minus 2 equals 0. Now 0 product property, x plus 4 equals 0, x minus 2 equals 0. So what plus 4 is 0? That's negative 4 plus 4 is 0, yeah. And then 2 minus 2 is 0. Boom. So negative 4 and 2 are the solutions. Negative 4 and 2, so that would be A. All right. Last one. Janelle cut a board 30 feet long into 2 pieces. The ratio of the lengths of the 2 pieces are 2 to 3. What is the length to the nearest foot of the shorter piece? Okay. So, let's see. So, I'm going to draw a picture. So, here's the board right here. It is 30 feet. And then it's broken into 2 pieces. 2 to 3. So, I'm going to put an X here. Because obviously it's not 5. It could be double this, triple this. So the X is just a multiplier here. So we're going to go 2 times X, 2 times something, plus 3 times something equals 30. You might have figured that a different way, but this is an algebraic way of finding out. So 2x and 3x is 5x equals 30. Divide by 5, x equals 6. 6 is not the answer. 6 is just the multiplier. Because look what happens. You go, So 2 times 6 is 12. Right? This is 12. And then 3 times 6 is 18. 12 and 18 is, add up, you get 30, right? And then this is also 2 to 3, because I would divide these by 6, right? 12 divided by 6 is 2. 18 divided by 6 is 3, 2 to 3, yeah. So that's how we got the answer. The shorter piece is this, is 12. Don't pick 18, it's a shorter piece, which is 12, okay? So that would be H. Great job, everybody. Keep it going.